comes my Filipino food online delivery. I got my Filipino food and you'll be surprised what's gonna be inside of it. So ayan guys, look at my, oh, this is gonna be, you have to be very careful with this because please handle with care. Alright. I'm so excited. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, I'm going to unbox. See this box right here in front of me. This is unboxing my Filipino food that I ordered online. So it took a week for this to arrive right here, and you'll be surprised what's inside and how much it costs. Okay, so bear with me because we are going to unbox this Filipino box right here. Let's start my unboxing. I'm so excited. See, it's a bit heavy. I forgot what I ordered, so let's see. Oh wow! Look guys, there is a letter. What's this? White King. What is this for? I don't know what this is. Let's see. Okay guys, we're gonna count all this. These are the food that I ordered. You see this? Boy bawang, 4 boy bawang garlic flavor. 4, and then let's count all this. Boy bawang hot garlic flavor. There you go. 2, 4, 6, 8. We're gonna count all this. 8. Yeah. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 42, 44, 46, 48. 53. There are 53 boy bawang guys. And then yung order ko guys. These are all my order. Just 2, 4, 5 items. What's this? Let's check this one. Let's go open my. Ooh. This one, you know why we ordered a lot of this? This one is, my husband loved this thing. That's why he ordered a lot. So, yay! May bagoong salted fish sauce. I hope that this one tastes the same with my bagoong, real bagoong. I don't know what to do. Is this made in the Philippines? In the Philippines. Balayan. Okay, this is bagoong, so made in the Philippines. What's this? Oh, I ordered pinakurat. And there you go. Here is my Nor seasoning. Yay! That's it. And yeah, that's everything. These are the items that I just bought online. Okay. We ordered a lot of this one. And I'm so excited to eat this. This is $1.29 a piece. Where is the price? I don't have my receipt with me. So I think this is $1.29 a piece. So I got 53 pieces. 53 pieces of this one, and then this one I don't know how much. I have to check. But it cost $85 total. 85, 84, something like that. So yeah. And the packaging, we're gonna rate how they pack this thing. Overall is good. This one, all the bottles wrapped in good bubble wrap, so it's safe. And everything is good. And I'm so excited. This is gonna be my snack. Every time I go home. there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you again on my next vlog. I'm so excited with this. Okay, guys, we're gonna try this. We're gonna try to eat one piece of this and see if it is crunchy, okay? I'm gonna open one. This one is crunchy or not, okay? So let's see. Oh. I'm gonna put vinegar with this tomorrow. Oh, they're so good. They're so crunchy. Okay, be quiet, okay? I want you to hear how crunchy this is. Wait. Quiet. Look up. Yum, 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 yum. Oh. I love it. I like this one when you put vinegar on it and then a little bit of salt. Oh, that's good now. So crunchy, yummy, delicious.